Morning, everybody. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. Hope everybody's doing okay. Got a little bit of an update. As I did on the stream, I had to redo the layout due to some issues that I had. I had to bring Elias into the train room. I had to make space for my work table, and I have to redo it. So here we go. Hope you guys enjoy this video. But before I get into the video, I have to head over to the yard and pick up somebody that you all know. Well, we are at the yard picking up an old friend who was recently released from the stockade after his U.S. Army fiasco. Bob is back in town. Well, this is a completed new layout that I had to redo due to I want to have a little siding here, the roundhouse. Gonna have one turn around here. I'm trying to come over here like this, and there's your other turnaround. Here, and there's another siding that's going to go all the way around the park. Nice and simple. The reason why I had to do it, I had to put Glock's cage under there, and Elias is in the train room now, so I had to open it up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy about a 60-foot table that I'm going to put here, and I'm going to have a work area. I didn't have a work area before, nowhere I could sit down and work. So, I mean, I like it. I like the new the layout. There might be a town here, and I have sidings where you could drop off loads. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. And then I want to do my elevated line, just a nice circular there. Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and come along with me with this new project built. Happy railroading. Bye.